Apieceofwerk, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today is episode 2 of Cooking with Apieceofwerk. So today we're going to be doing roasted salmon, asparagus, and squash and zucchini. We're going to have 2 vegetables today, no bread, no carbs. So here I am. I have taken off the skin off the back of the salmon, so there's no excess water in the pan. And now I am slicing the salmon into individual pieces. Let's begin to season. Here I am adding Himalayan salt, some garlic powder, season. I've added some black pepper. Here's some Old Bay seafood seasoning. I have added Italian seasoning, some rosemary, of course. And now I'm going to add some thyme to it for that smoky flavor. Then I will be adding some minced garlic. I love garlic, you guys. No amount is too much. Here I am adding some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, and a couple of pieces of butter. The salmon is oven ready. I have set my air fryer oven to roast, which will be set at 400 degrees. Pre-start, let it get warmed up. Once it say add food, we're gonna put it in the oven. Let's begin the asparagus. I have added water to my pot. I have added some minced garlic and some garlic powder for seasoning. Too much garlic. I know, you guys. I love garlic. I have added some salt and some lemon juice for flavoring. Let's begin to prep the veggies. Here I am cutting the ends of the asparagus off, putting that to the side. Now I am cutting up the zucchini and squash. You can cut it however you want, circles. I am cutting mine the long way. I am adding the asparagus to the boiling water and let that cook. Now I will be preparing the zucchini and squash to be roasted. I am going to start seasoning now. So you're going to add your minced garlic. You can add your salt and pepper. You're going to add garlic powder and more. Whatever you like, you season with. I season with the same seasonings because that's just what I like. I am preparing my own sauce that I created. So I have added water to the pan, some teriyaki sauce. I am going to be adding brown sugar, honey, and corn syrup. Then I'm going to let that cook down, come to a boil, stir for my teriyaki sticky sauce. Look at that piece of meat. Oh my God, it is seasoned and cooked to perfection. Look at that zucchini and squash, you guys. Now I am adding the sticky teriyaki sauce to about 2 of them, and then I'm going to bake it some more. Look at that plating. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please try this meal. Let me know how you guys like it down in the comments. Until the next person, thank you for coming to Apieceofwerk's kitchen. Bye.